Hi guys, John again. As you can see, I've got the trusted VIC out because I did a video a while ago about all these cartridges that I had before. Adventureland, got to try that because it didn't work and so we'll put that there. But we got Jelly Monsters, Alien, Road Race, GORF, Raid on Fort Knox, Radar Rat Race, and the last one was Mole Attack. There you go, Mole Attack. Well, my friend Mark Commodore Sales has got a load more, and so he sent me Avenger, Sargon II Chess, Amiga Race, so there's 3 without, and I managed to get these. So I've got GORF again, so I'll try that out. There's no harm in having more than one. Same with the chess game, look. But got Pirates Cove, Star Battle, and then these came through the door from Mark, and we've got that one, whatever that one says, Menageria or something. So let's have a look. There we go. In its box, and it's not bad. It's a bit crushed, but it's 30 years old. Well, it's more than 30 years old. So, and then we've got VooDoo Castle. So, which is that one. So I thought I'd do a video of me trying them out for the first time and see how I get on. I like this. The friendly computer. What a term, eh, for the VIC. Right then, so let me get my phone. Where have I put it? Right, got my phone. So here we go. So point camera at the telly. So there's the famous VIC screen, startup screen. Now we'll do we'll do the Adventureland first. There we go. Because someone had put on my YouTube channel when I did the original, I don't know if you can see that, whoops, there you go. Someone had put on my YouTube channel a comment about how to start this cartridge, which was SIS 32592. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in and let's see if we can get it going. Right, here we go. There we go. Switch her on. Hi, if you can see me. Right, so he said SIS. So Darren said SIS 32592. Well. Thanks, Darren. There we go. Do you want to restore previously saved game? I bet that's on tape, isn't it? Let's have a look. There, yeah. Right, let's do it again. 32592. So, nope. I'm in a forest. Trees, north, so there's north, south, east and west. A voice booms out, welcome to the adventure number 1, Adventureland. In this adventure you find treasure and, whoa, west. What shall I do now? Oh, west. Don't know, west. Look, I see nothing special. Right then. I will I'm going to have a play at this, but I'm not going to do it on camera. I'm going to have a play at this on my own, and then we'll do a proper video, because I'm going to play all these games properly, and then I'm going to do videos on them as part of my channel, because I thought just doing quick ones don't do them any justice. Right, so that one works, which is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Thanks, Darren. Right then, so these are games that I've not... So, here we go. First one, Amiga Race. So I've not played these, so I will be just as rubbish as I was before with the other ones until I practice. So here we go. Oh, wow. How do I start it? I bet I need a joystick in. See if I can find a joystick. I've got a joystick. It's not a brilliant one. I've got to get myself a decent one, so I've got to talk to my guys, see if I can get a decent one. But for some reason it's not allowing, it's still not controlling it, so oh, it's just still spinning. It's not even firing. Oh well, we'll try the next one. I'm sure one of you guys out there will tell me what's wrong with this one. Right, let's try the next one. Right. Oops, Avenger. Stick that in. Ooh. Cartridge is a bit... There we go. Oh, come on. I wonder if the same sys number will work. SYS 32592. Nah. Let's try that. See if it fires up. No. That's a shame. Oh well. Oh. Right, so I've brought another VIC. Right, so this one is Type 2. It's got the new keys on it, but it's still the old keyboard, so it sounds like the original. So we'll plug her in. And we'll see if any of the ones. So we'll try Avenger. Even though that is... No, we won't do the Avenger. Star Battle. That was the one that was spinning out of control, wasn't it? So here we go. Star Battle. Ah. Right. So A, left and right, F3. There we go. Gonna have to have a look at that VIC. Oh! Ho ho ho! .3K memory. Still brilliant. Oh, that bomb went straight through me. Oh, got him. Whoa! Ah! It's always the last. Oh, it starts again. No! Right, enough of that. So, right, that one works. So there must be some. I bet there's something wrong with the joystick on that, and that's why it's spinning out of control. Let's try this Avenger. See if it'll go in. Come on, in you go. Oh, I don't want to go in. Right, it's in at an angle. Nah. I'll have to have a look at that and see if I can stop it from moving. Right, what was the other one? Pirate's Cove, wasn't it? That one had a problem. Let's try that. See if that crashes on this one. Right then. SYS 32592. Nope. Oh, it works on this one. Hey! Welcome to the Adventure number 2, Pirate's Adventure by. Okay, what shall I do now? Look. Oh, the green's a bit bleh. Okay, see nothing special. West. Can't go west. North. Can't go north. Okay. Bottle. Look. I'm in a flat. Right. Door. Oh, I'm going to have to figure out what the instructions are for this. Well, at least it's working. I'm going to have a look at that other VIC. See what's wrong with it. Right then, let's try Mega Ace. I think this is the other one that was just spinning out of control. Oh, no, it's different. What was the other one then? Star Battle or something? Star Battle? Avenger? Was it Avenger? Must have been Avenger. Joystick. Oh, right, joystick. Joystick, joystick, joystick. In you go. Right. Oh, it is this one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ho, 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 ho. Oh. Cool. You definitely need the paddles for this. No keyboard commands, I don't think. Wow, that moves quick. Wow. Oh, I got him and all. 3. Well, at least that one works. I'm a bit rubbish on the joystick though. Hey! So far, we've proved that a VIC doesn't work. Right, so that's Amiga Race. Next one. We have 2 copies of this, so we'll try them both out. So this is the first one. So it's a chess game, Sargon II Chess. F1 start. Game or setup? Game. Well, we'll be black. Naught. Right. So how do... Oh, okay. Delete, delete, delete. So we're looking, let's do D7 to D5. D7, D5. Alright, so... which is the king? That'll be that one. So D8, D8 to D6. Get the old queen out. Let's start the battling. So if we go there, right? D6. Gonna commit Harry carry here, I think. To B4. Check. Yeah, thought so. Right, I should be able to, yeah, B4 to B2. And, okay, B2, A1. Oh, he put me into check, cheeky sod. Cheeky sod. Anyway, that just shows you how rubbish I am. Right, we know that one works, so let's try the other one. So this is the second one. Oh, the only problem with these cartridges, it takes some pushing in. In you go, come on. There we go. Right. F1 start. Game. Black. 0. So we'll do D. I think that's D. A, B, C, D. So we're going to do D7 to D5. Oh, D7 to D5. We're going to do D7 to D6. Then D8 to H4. I know, I'm going to get the queen taken. Yeah, I know. Just shows you how rubbish I am. But, well, that one works. So the next one is a game I've already got, which is GORF. But we'll try this out. And we'll go. Oh. No. That's not working. What's that magic number? 35. Oh, 325. 92. Nah. Right, so that GORF's bust. That's alright. I've got another one. Got another one. Right. Now we're starting the box ones. So, VooDoo Castle. and it's using the magic sys number. SYS 32592. Hey! I'm in a chapel, closed coffin, north, south, east and west. Welcome to the adventure number 4, VooDoo Castle by Alex. What shall I do now? Look. Right, I'm in a coffin. Right, north. Okay, ravens cries, something outside. Window just slammed shut. What shall I do? Open. Open window. Won't budge. Alright, okay. Look. So south. South. Look. I'm in a dinghy. How did I get in a dinghy? Looking over a stairwell. I like these adventure games. Right, we know that one works. I'll play that a little bit more and then we'll do a video on it. And then, last but not least, that one. Can't say the name of that one. Well, well. Right, L left. Oh my god, is this Frogger? Right, let's read the instructions again. Right, L and P for up. P for up, L for down. Right, okay. It's Frogger. Oh, thing moved. Stupid base moved. Oh! Right, so I'm a flea and I've got land on dogs and cats. Well, that was hard. Let's do that again. F1. Oh! Missed it. Oh, I'm rubbish at this. Such a simple game and I'm rubbish. I presume I've got to get onto the white one. Yay! Ah! There you go. That is one of the games I'm thinking of doing for programming in the 6502 is Frogger. It's simple, easy to work out, and but I never thought of being a tick. So there we go. So I have got now. Let's count them up. So if you ignore the fact I've got 2 of 2, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the boxes. And then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 VIC games on cartridge. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm going to figure out what's wrong with this VIC. I think it's the fact that I think the joystick port's just constantly on, and that's why it's just picking it up all the time. Right, I'll see you on the next video. Take care, bye. Right then guys, just a quick update. This one that wouldn't work because the PCB was wandering around inside. Well, I've taken it apart, and it turns out there was a broken lug here that the PCB backed up onto. So I've just super glued it back in place. I've let it have a chance to dry, and so we'll try it out and see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'll find a different method of sorting it out. As you can see, I haven't quite closed it because it won't go in the VIC yet, so let's just snap it closed. There we go. Right, let's see. Right, it goes in now. And it's... oh, and the lug's just broke again. I've just felt it go. Yeah, the lug's broken again. Yeah, and it's come out this time. There you go. One lug. And the PCB's now wobbly again. So I'll have to figure out something out, some other way of doing it. Alright then, talk to you later. Right then, this is the PCB out of that Avenger's cartridge, so I'm trying to sort something out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put this into the VIC just to see if it works, just to see if it's worth fixing the cartridge. So just gently push it in. Make sure I get it in right. There we go. So I just need to push so it goes in. Here we go. Cut it tight, fit these things up. There we go. Right, that's in the slot now. So I'll switch her on. Hey, we have a working PCB. Right, instructions, score table. Right, so this is Space Invaders. Use joystick or keyboard. L left, A fire right. Okay, so push F1 to start. Oh, great. Space Invaders. Love this game. Spent hours in my youth playing this game. Oh! Missed it. Oh! Ooh. That's not fair. I was shooting those bullets. They should have gone. Let's try that again. Oh, I'm gonna. This is gonna be annoying. Oh, come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going, John. Keep going. Got it. Only 100. It's not right, only 100. Oh! Oh! I love this game. Oh! Oh! Didn't see that one coming. Hey! Ooh! There you go. Anyway, I'll let you know what the outcome is of trying to fix the cartridge. But as you can see, the game works. So I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye. Right. Done it again. This time I've tried to make it a bit stronger. So I'll just try it. Oh, still not closed the loops here. There we go. Try and push it in. And it's in. Get in there. Get in there. So there we go. We've got another game that works. Wicked. Wicked. So, on a different note though, let me just pull this cartridge out. There we go. On a different note, I've just realised this VIC is actually a VC20. Didn't realise until now. Cool. So it's a VC20. As the normally, say, VIC-20. How cool is that? Well, I'm going to ask my mate Mark, see if he's got a motherboard that works for the VIC, because like as you could see, it was just going left, left, left all the time on the game. So I'm just wondering if there's something wrong with the joystick CIA, and see how much it'll cost for him to fix it for me. Right then, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.